How to Support a Child with Autism, a comprehensive guide for parents and teachers. Introduction. Welcome back. Supporting a child with autism doesn't require being a perfect parent or teacher. It requires understanding, patience, and consistency. Every autistic child is unique, and with the right support, they can learn, communicate, and grow. In this video, we'll share practical tips that parents, teachers, and caregivers can use every day to help their child cope with autism. Understand autism. The first step in supporting an autistic child is getting to understand autism. Social interaction and behavior. It is not an illness. Every autistic child has different abilities, interests, and challenges. Build a predictable routine. Many autistic children feel more comfortable when they know what will happen next. A daily routine helps reduce anxiety and confusion. Using picture schedules, calendars, and visual timers makes daily activities easier to understand and follow. Use clear communication. Use short, simple sentences. Give only one instruction at a time and allow extra time for the child to respond. Some autistic children communicate through speech, while others may use gestures, sign language, or picture communication systems to express themselves. Encourage communication. Celebrate every attempt to communicate. Whether a child uses words, gestures, or pictures, every effort is meaningful. Respond positively and encourage them to keep trying. Support learning through play *. Play is one of the best ways children learn. Educational games, puzzles, music, drawing, and pretend play help improve communication, problem solving, creativity, and social skills. Follow the child's interest to keep learning fun and engaging. Learning through play. Learning through play is a crucial element of success for children with autism. Engaging in play helps improve communication, problem solving, creativity, and social skills. This can be achieved in a variety of ways, including educational games, puzzles, music, drawing, and pretend play. Supporting a child with autism requires understanding, patience, and consistency. Every child is unique, and with the right support and resources, they can learn, communicate, and grow in the end. It is essential to remember that a child's success is measured by their ability to achieve their goals and live a fulfilling life. Autism is a developmental condition that affects communication. Use clear communication. Clear communication is key when supporting children with autism. Encourage them to use simple sentences and give each instruction clearly. This allows for more time for them to respond. Some may communicate through speech while others may use gestures or sign language. Communication. It's important to celebrate every communication attempt. No matter what the child uses, words, gestures, or pictures, their enthusiasm is just as important. Respond positively and keep them motivated. Praise positive behavior. 1. Give immediate praise. Praise the child right away when they do something good. This helps them understand which behavior is correct. 2. Celebrate small wins. Whether it's saying one word, following an instruction, or sharing, every effort matters. 3. Use positive rewards. Use smiles, clapping, verbal praise, or a favorite activity to encourage the child. 4. Focus on effort, not perfection. Instead of pointing out mistakes, notice the attempt. This builds confidence and motivation. 5. Be consistent. Parents, teachers, and therapists should all use the same positive reinforcements so the child feels secure. Play together. Play is an excellent way for children on the spectrum to learn. Educational games, puzzles, music, drawing, and pretend play can all be valuable for improving communication, problem solving, creativity, and social skills. Be sure to engage with the child's interests to keep things fun. Handle sensory need. Pay attention to any sensory needs and offer a calm, supportive environment when necessary, encouraging positive behavior and Praising their efforts can help build confidence and motivation for learning. Working together. Working collaboratively with parents, teachers, and therapists is crucial in supporting children on the spectrum. Sharing information and utilizing consistent strategies can give them the sense of security and help them make progress across all environments. Conclusion. In conclusion, let's focus on the positive side of things. Children with autism are learning, playing, and making happy memories. They deserve understanding and the opportunity to reach their full potential. With patience, encouragement, and the right support, they can make amazing progress. Thanks for tuning into our latest video. We'll be exploring various therapies that can benefit autistic children in terms of communication, learning, and daily living skills. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.